Today, I'm going to show you how to laser engrave onto painted glass. You're looking at the results and it looks pretty good, right? Up here, there's some of my fingerprints. I didn't clean it for this picture. Sorry about that. So initially, this thing was just a piece of glass. You can get this from any picture frame. Make sure that it is glass and it's not acrylic. You can use any paint you want, but I'm using this, which is Rust-Oleum High Heat Ultra. I had it laying around the house, so I just tried it. Most people clean the glass absolutely super clean, but for me, I just kind of wing it. I didn't even bother cleaning it. I just spray painted it. I spray painted it very evenly. So first it was going row by row and then column by column to make sure that it's all evenly painted. Here you can see the original picture. So in order to achieve the result that you saw earlier, you only want the laser to burn here, wherever there's white spots. Basically, the laser is burning away the paint. So wherever the laser doesn't touch, it stays black. And wherever the laser touch, it'll become white. And the software I'm using, LightBurn, is smart enough to adjust the intensity of the laser to achieve gray, which is somewhere between burnt and not burnt. So once you have the picture ready, go ahead and open in Photoshop. Some people don't like Photoshop or don't prefer paying Photoshop. They use Image R, and that's perfectly fine as well. In this tutorial, I'm just going to guide you through Photoshop. The piece of glass we're doing is 8 inches by 12. So go ahead and Control N for new documents. The width will be 12, the height will be 8, and the resolution will be 318. Click OK. Open the picture that you want to work on. Control A, Control C, Control W to close it, Control V to paste it, and there you go. If your image is too small, then go ahead and Control T to transform it and make sure that it matches the canvas or matches the glass that you're working on. For some reason, there's a white line right here, so go ahead and clean it up or make any changes as you need it. Go into Image, Adjustment, Brightness, Contrast, and change the brightness and contrast to achieve whatever level of blackness you want to achieve. And then click OK. Once you're satisfied with the results, go ahead and save the file and then close down Photoshop. In LightBurn, go ahead and open the file, File, Open. Choose the JPG file that you save and then click on Open. Right click on the image, go down to Adjust Image. The image mode should be Order. It will be a negative image. The DPI will be 318. And this is what you will get. The black spots will be where the laser will be hitting it. If you want to see what it looks like, go ahead and click on Invert Display. On your mouse wheel, if you scroll up, you can see what the detail looks like. And to me, that's good enough. And then click on OK. I'm using a Comgrow Z1 10 watt, and this is my settings. The mode is Image. The speed is 1700 millimeter per minute. The power is 60%. Make sure the constant power mode is turned off. Line interval again is 318 dpi. Dot width correction is turned off. And that's it. You're good to go. In case you're curious how long this will take you, go ahead and Alt-P to get a preview. So to engrave this image onto the painted glass, it will take about 2 hours. Not bad. And here you go. This is what it looks like when you're done. You can see I did a material test, and honestly, I can't tell what the differences are. So I just wing it at the settings that you saw earlier, 1700 and power of 60%. All right, hopefully you found this tutorial helpful on how to laser engrave images onto painted glass. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.